Hi folks, this is Jake of Jake's Famous Foods, and today I'm bringing you our Santa Barbara smoked seafood seasoning. This is a phenomenal dry rub. Along with all the other rubs in our stable of dry rubs, this is around number 2 we created somewhere around 2003 or 2004. Our focus then, as in now, was creating a dry rub that could truly manage the flavors of seafood. Catfish, salmon, shellfish as well. So you could have shrimp, you could have scallops, anything that's in the seafood category you name. Now this rub is phenomenal because it's got hints of chili powder, brown sugar. It has really awesome maple smoked sugar, maple sugar. It's fantastic on the nose. Even more fantastic on the fish or shellfish that you're gonna use it on. This is a wonderful dry rub. It comes in 5-ounce sizes. You can get it on our website today. It's phenomenal. So I want you guys to go to our website at jakesfamousfoods.com. Take a look at the website, order up as many as you want. They're really, really wonderful. Now, there's a new code out there on our website that helps you get 10% off of any and everything that's on our website. Use the code barbecue10 to get an immediate 10% discount at checkout. So don't forget barbecue10, and don't forget our Santa Barbara smoked seafood seasoning. Thank you guys.